Hello, in this video I will show you 4 methods how you can take screenshot on OnePlus Nord 5. So first of all you have to make sure how you can make the screenshot. So open the settings, from here go to accessibility and convenience, and now go to screenshot section, and here you are able to find screenshot gestures section, and from here you have to enable which way you want to take a screenshot. So let me enable every from this settings, and now I will show you first way to get the screenshot. It's 3-finger swipe down. So now to take a screenshot you have to take your 3 fingers and make this gesture by swiping down, and as you can see, screenshot is taken. Second way to take a screenshot is by 3-finger touch and hold. So you can take a partial or scrolling screenshot by using it. So take your 3 fingers, hold on the screen, and now you can swipe up or down or lift your fingers to take a partial screenshot. As you can see, you have to just simply select which place that you want, and when it's done also you can adjust the size of this screenshot from here, and when it's done click this check mark in the top right corner. The third way to take a screenshot is by using power plus volume down button, and just simply press it together, power button and volume down button, and as you can see, screenshot was taken. The last method that I will show you in this video for taking a screenshot is by using quick settings menu. So swipe down your quick settings, do it again, and here here you can find screenshot feature over here. So just simply click on it, and now screenshot is taken. And also, if you have the screenshot feature over here, you have to add this by clicking this 3 dots in the top right corner and edit ties. So if you have no screenshot over here, you have to add this from more ties by clicking plus. So basically that's all. Thanks for watching and subscribe this channel.